Hanging a picture frame is a simple task, but with the right approach and materials, you can make sure your frame is hung securely, level, and with a polished look. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to hang a picture frame. 1. Gather your materials. You will need a hammer, nails, a level, a pencil or pen, a stud finder, if hanging on drywall, and the picture frame. 2. Start by finding the studs in the wall. You can use a stud finder to locate the studs behind the drywall, which will provide a more secure hold for the frame. 3. Next, measure the distance between the hooks or hanging hardware on the back of the frame, and mark these spots on the wall using the pencil or pen. 4. Hold the frame against the wall where you want to hang it and use the level to make sure it is straight. Once you have confirmed the desired position, use the markings on the wall as a guide to mark the spots where the nails will go. 5. Hammer the nails into the marked spots, being careful not to hit any electrical wires or pipes that may be behind the wall. 6. Carefully place the picture frame onto the nails, making sure it is straight. For added security, you can use wire or hooks in the back of the frame to balance it and avoid tilting over time. 7. Once the frame is securely in place, use the level again to make sure the frame is straight, adjusting as necessary. 8. For a polished look, consider adding some picture frame hardware to cover the nails, or even adding a wire to the back of the frame to make it look like it's floating on the wall. 9. Finally, you can step back and enjoy your new piece of art, knowing that it is hung securely and level. Remember that depending on the weight of the frame and the type of wall, you might have to use specific hardware and methods, like anchors, to ensure a secure hold. It's always better to play it safe and use the right tools, rather than risk damaging your walls or frames.